welcome back to another cooking video. I am so excited to be sharing this recipe, and we're going to be making creamy, delicious chicken spaghetti. It is so simple. The only thing that I do not do, I don't buy the cream of mushroom, the cream of chicken. I make my own cheese sauce that I pour over the spaghetti. So I am ready to share this recipe with you, and we're gonna get right into the ingredients, because if not, I will keep talking your ear off. And I know you guys are wanting to know how to make this chicken spaghetti. So we're gonna get right to the ingredients. Okay, here are the ingredients that you will need. You will need flour, butter, and we just have this Smart Balanced butter. Again, I wasn't gonna go out and buy a different butter. I'm just making do with what I have. We're gonna need some milk. We're gonna need some green chilies. Use whatever cheese you like. I found that Walmart has this new mac and cheese blend, and then they have this casserole blend. So I thought that they would be good because they will melt nice and creamy. Cream cheese, garlic, onion, red pepper, spaghetti pasta. I accidentally picked up gluten-free pasta, which is okay. I've had it before, and to me, I can't even taste the difference. And I buy rotisserie chicken, whatever I can use to make my life easier in the kitchen. You can go ahead and buy real, chicken and go ahead and boil it and cook it like Norm, and then just shred it. But if you want to make your life easier, just already buy the cooked rotisserie chicken in your local deli. And then I have garlic salt and black pepper and the cream cheese. Not sure if I said that. So these are all the ingredients that you will need. And what I love about this dish is that you could even make it ahead and then just pop it in the oven the next day when you're ready to feed your family. I'm a big fan of dishes that are quick, and if I can fix them the day ahead, even more of a fan. And I love leftovers, so I love cooking like dishes like casseroles or braised meats such as pot roast with potatoes, because those dishes taste even better the second day. So let's get ready. First thing first, I am gonna call my wonderful sous chef that I love so much, and he loves helping me out in the kitchen. I'm over exaggerating, he probably doesn't, but because he loves me, he helps me out. No, he does enjoy getting in the kitchen, helping me out. A lot of the times we cook together just for fun. That's like our favorite pastime. So, and we're a great team in the kitchen. So he's about to come in the kitchen and start shredding the chicken. And then I am gonna go ahead and warm up some water so we can boil the pasta and chop up the veggies, because once I do that, I am gonna cook the pasta and start making my cheese sauce. This dish does not take long at all, guys. It's literally just kind of throwing the ingredients together and then building it all up and then sticking it in the oven. So it's this creamy, ooey gooey deliciousness. So let me go find that sous chef. All right, while my sous chef is finishing with the chicken here, I am gonna go ahead and start sauteing the veggies. That way we can get our cheese sauce going. We're gonna put some olive oil. Okay, just put some olive oil in the pan. And now I'm gonna go ahead and throw my veggies in there so they can start sauteing. You guys could smell these veggies. They smell so good. And I actually am gonna take the veggies out when I throw in some butter and cook down the flour a little bit to make my bechamel sauce. So I decided I'm gonna take the veggies out this time. So what I don't want it to do is to get all clumpy. So that is what we will do. Okay, then when your garlic, let that cook up a little bit, and then I am going to take all this out. It smells so good. Okay, veggies are out, the most that I was able to get it out. And now I'm gonna add some butter. Lower the heat a little bit and add your flour and start whisking. Okay, let me go add some milk or cream. There are some garlic burn bits in there. That does not faze me. If you don't like it, you guys can take it out of there. And you will see this thickening up. I just add little by little. I add the milk. There are hardly any more lumps in there, so just keep whisking. And I'm going to add a tad bit more milk because, again, I need to add my cheeses soon. Okay, I changed the whisk because that metal one was a little too noisy, but look how thick it's starting to turn. Let me see if I can show you guys. Look at that. If you see it on the spatula, it's not as runny, and it's still going to keep thickening up. So I'm going to add a little bit more milk to the sauce. And now I'm going to start seasoning it. Do some black pepper. Some garlic salt. Whisk. I am going to add some of the cheeses, and I'm going to add the sautéed veggies back in here. And if I see it gets too thick, guys, you can put extra chicken broth. Not extra, you can put actual chicken broth in there or water just to loosen it up. But as this heats up more, it's going to turn more thick. So this is the hardest part of making chicken spaghetti. Well, I call it the hardest part, but it's just getting your sauce to the right consistency. But you don't want it too watery. And actually, when you put the cheese in there, it'll get all nice and creamy. So I will be adding all the other ingredients now. It's starting to get so creamy. Look at that. Italian seasoning, just a little bit. And now we're gonna add our green chilies. Don't add the whole can. I do about half a can. I don't want the green chilies to be overwhelming. Okay, now I'm gonna do a taste test with the sauce and see if anything else is needed. So let's see. Oh, that's good. The only thing I'm gonna add to it is some red pepper flakes, just to kick it up a little bit more. Travis doesn't like when I add a lot of red pepper flakes. So hold on. Okay, give it another stir. Now I am going to add the chicken in here, and then I am going to layer my casserole dish with pasta. Actually, I am gonna add the chicken in here, add the pasta in the casserole dish, and mix it all together, and give it a nice other top layer of cheese, and we're gonna stick it in the oven. Okay, look how creamy this is. That looks so delicious. Now let's go ahead and mix everything in our casserole dish and stick this guy in the oven. Okay guys, bake until it's golden brown, where you see like some of the edges like that, nice and crispy and golden brown. And this casserole, or casserole is chicken spaghetti casserole, I guess it really is. But bake until it's golden brown and all the cheese is melted. And now I'm gonna garnish it with parsley, and we are gonna do a taste test. Look at that, guys. When I tell you this chicken spaghetti is so creamy, it is very creamy. Make your sauce. Okay, let's give it a taste test. OMG, that is so good. Let me call my sous chef to do a taste test and get him a fork. Okay. Here he is, guys. Try it for the people.
Okay.
And seriously, you can't even taste that's gluten-free pasta. Good?
It's good. Wowzers.
It's very good. That chicken spaghetti is a 10 out of 10. Again, I love whipping up recipes. I love sharing my recipes with you guys. These are recipes that I have made throughout the years for my family. They've enjoyed them, and I just love sharing them with you guys. So Thank you for hanging out with me on another cooking video, and I will still keep creating of other recipes to share with you guys. And if you guys have any ideas or anything, leave me a comment. If you want me to make something, also leave me a comment, because I can go ahead and do the research. And of course, you know, I'm the queen of modifying a recipe. I will definitely make that for you. So on that note, I am going to close out the vlog so we can go ahead and eat, because we are a hungry crowd here. Everybody's been waiting for me to make this dinner to chow down, so we're ready to eat. So goodbye guys, and have a wonderful, wonderful evening. Bye.